Yeah. Only try.
Maybe later.
Look, no price. Only see. Just look, no charge.
Just
only
look.
See.
Okay. Oh. It's horrible. Okay. Yeah, maybe later, my friend. I'm gonna go for a swim.
10 minutes from our time. 10 minutes. Only 10 minutes.
Okay.
Come, sit here.
Okay. It's good to see the lack of sterilisation beforehand. Very safe area. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is how you get an infection. How much, my friend? How much?
200.
200. Can you do 100?
100 each.
Maybe 150, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah. Ah, so horrible.
You shower?
No, I was going to shower in the Ganges, wash away my sins.
You shower this room, you home, this shampoo water go inside.
Okay.
Soap water go inside.
Wow.
You video this ear, no good.
No?
Close.
What do you mean?
Later.
Later? Oh, it's okay, I can film.
This ear,
Okay.
this problem.
Okay.
This video later.
Oh, it's okay, I can film it. It's okay.
Yeah. Feel?
Yeah, I can feel it.
Very dry.
It doesn't feel nice.
Inside Ayurvedic medicine. Ayurvedic medicine.
Oh, no, it's okay. Just the cleaning, please. Is this extra?
Extra.
No, I don't want extra.
This very dry.
Yeah, it's okay. No, thank you. No extras.
This too much dirty.
No extras,
This
please.
medicine soft, put drop.
No, I'm okay.
Massage.
Yeah.
Soft. Big size.
Yeah.
Take it out. Ear open, good listen.
How much extra?
Medicine clean 600.
No, thank you.
600.
No, just the clean, please.
Inside too much dry.
No,
very
it's okay.
Dry.
No, it's okay.
No good, no price.
That's okay.
Take it
Just-
out. I look.
No, just
Take it out.
just the 150. That's all I want.
Very dry, brother.
Yeah, that's okay.
Very dry.
Yeah, I'm not paying that. Sorry.
Take it out. I look. Ear open, good listen.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
No big size, no price.
No.
No big dirty, no charge. Take it out. I look. Good listen.
No,
Feel
I'm
better.
okay. No.
Feel better.
No.
Dry.
Yeah, that's okay. You can leave that.
This natural medicine.
Yeah. No, it's okay. I don't want it. No, thank you.
This,
Yeah.
Smile. This Ayurvedic.
No, I don't want it. I don't want it. It's okay.
Soft massage.
I've said no. It's okay. You can do the other ear, and then we're done. Okay.
How much, brother?
150. No, I don't want the medicine.
Okay, 500.
I don't want it.
All together.
No.
2 years. Everything.
No.
Full clean, brother.
No, we said 150. We'll stick to 150. Yeah.
One year, take it out, you look. No happy, no price. 1 year. First 1 year, soft, take it out.
No, I just want the basic 150 that we agreed on. Thank you, sir. Ah. It's not nice.
Dry, yeah?
Yeah.
Dry. Medicine clean, nice clean, sir.
No, I don't want any medicine. Thank you.
Little money, no expensive.
No, I don't want any medicine, sir. Thank you, though.
Total 500. 2 years.
No,
Everything, brother.
No.
2 year.
Total 150. It's okay. Thank you. Oh,
Dry,
that's
brother.
horrible. Yeah. You mentioned.
You first look. No happy, no price.
No, I don't want it.
Soft, take it out.
I
1
don't-
year. 1 year,
No.
you look.
I don't want it. No.
Very slowly, brother.
No.
You believe me. You 1 year, you look.
Okay, I'm gonna pay.
1 minute.
You're starting to
Other side.
frustrate me slightly.
Medicine clean, nice service, sir. Good clean.
Sir, I don't want your medicine. Thank you. I'm gonna pay now because I'm losing my patience.
No expensive,
Yeah.
brother.
Okay, I'll be the judge of that.
Soft,
No,
take
it's
it
okay.
out.
No.
This all together,
Yeah.
everything total 500, brother.
No, it's okay. I'll pay 150. You have change?
No change.
He's hit me with a classic. Well, I've only got 500. And I don't want your medicine.
You first look, no happy, no price.
No, it's okay. I'll go find some change for you, yeah?
This no food drop, only cotton bud.
No, thank you, sir.
You phone pay no? GPay no?
No, I don't have that. I can find some change. You have change? I think you do.
1 minute, sir.
Okay. There's a couple of stalls here, so I'll see if I can get some change for 500.
50 more.
Sorry? 50 more, yeah? 50 here. There you go.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Nice to meet you. Thank you, sir. Goodbye. Namaste. He was a persistent guy, wasn't he? Really wanted me to try his mystery medicine. He was just rubbing my earwax on his hands. He had no issues with that whatsoever. Did not sterilize anything beforehand either. So I'm looking forward to the infection that follows. Anyway, on the topic of infections, let's get in this river.